Hi everyone, so today we're going to be working on this problem. Calculate the pH of a solution prepared by dissolving 0.370 moles of formic acid, HCO2H, and 0.230 moles of sodium formate, NaCO2H, in water sufficient to yield 1 liter of solution. The Ka of formic acid is 1.77 times 10 to the negative 4. Now in this problem, it is important to note that HCO2H and NaCO2H make a buffer. And a buffer is an intact acid and its conjugate base in a solution. So HCO2H dissociates into H plus and CO2H minus. And in the solution, we have both the HCO2H and the CO2H minus, so this is a buffer. The sodium is a spectator ion in this equation. So to do this problem, we're going to need to use the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. pH equals pKa plus the log of the base over the acid. So to find pH, we're going to need to find pKa and the concentration of the base and the acid in molarity. So let's find pKa first. pKa equals a negative log of Ka. And we're given Ka. That was 1.77 times 10 to the negative 4. So plugging this into your calculator, you're going to get that your pKa is equal to 3.75. So we're going to need to find the concentration of the base and the concentration of the acid in molarity. We're given their respective amounts in moles, and we're given the total liters of the solution. So let's find the concentration of the base. We know that our base is CO2H minus, or NaCO2H, and we are told that we have 0.230 moles of it, and this total solution is 1 liter. So our concentration of the base is 0.230 molarity. So let's find the concentration of the acid. The concentration of the acid would be the concentration of HCO2H. And we're given 0.370 moles. And we know that the total amount of volume is 1 liter. So our concentration is going to be 0.370 molarity. So now we have our pKa and our concentration of base and acid. So all we need to do is plug in all of these values that we found to find our pH. So pH equals pKa, that's 3.75, plus the log of the concentration of the base, 0.230 molarity, over the concentration of the acid, 0.370 molarity. Simplifying this, we get pH equals 3.75 plus the log of 0.620. Plugging this into our calculator, we're going to get our pH is equal to 3.55.